Samsung doesn't stand a chance because Xiaomi is so back in this game. Yes, guys, the upcoming Xiaomi MIX Flip and MIX F are all set to crush Samsung Flip 6 and Fold 6. Your first look at the Xiaomi MIX Flip coming with H.2.4 in cover display for best experience, dual high-resolution cameras and Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 chipset, can be seen Hyper-West lock screen on MIX Flip looks so good. Got tons of customization options to choose from like new clock styles. JE effect, and I like that battery percentage UI. Xiaomi did the lock screen, and even the home screen interface of MIX Flip just right. There's a widget below the dual cameras, and rest of the display can be used to scroll social media, or even play games. This device got a 4780 mAh battery, 67 Ws of fast charging, and a 60 MP telephoto shooter. Just wow. The design is kind of similar to Samsung Flip and Honor Flip, but all depends on the quality of this product. This is the Xiaomi MIX 4.4 coming with an amazing design. Got quad cameras and some supporting sensors. These specifications are Qualcomm E Gen 3, and it is going to be a lot thinner. Still got a 5,000 battery, 4 high megapixel cameras, and will be IP68 certified, so definitely looking forward to this lineup. The Xiaomi 15 series might have a similar Xiaomi Full F-like camera design, that is a squarish module and boxy finish. Got bunch of cameras like a color signs. The best part is it's gonna be curved front panel, which I like a lot, with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So just like the Samsung's 24 Ultra, Xiaomi is also adding an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner in the Xiaomi 15 series. The ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is fast, is secure, works around water and dust as well. Well, the interesting part is leaks are Xiaomi 15 is going to be IP69 certified. The IP69 rating would mean it is better in protecting the internals from dust and water. Finally, the Xiaomi 15 Pro is going to have a periscope shooter for better zoomed images. And here the full list of specifications coming in from China, and it surely looks like a powerful device. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is going to be powerful as well, but we don't have any sort of specifications about this device. The highlight of the Xiaomi 15 series is going to be Qualcomm 8 Gen 4, powerful chip set in Hyper W2. Yes, see, Qualcomm 8 Gen 4 is coming out in October, and it's going to use Orion architecture, plus will be based on TSMC 3nm process. But there's going to be some really cool stuff as our mobile platforms are reinvented with our Orion CPU. So there's going to be some really cool stuff coming down the pipe between you and I around this supercharged CPU, along with this evolution of our MPU story. And that's going to be a killer combo in our Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 announcement, which I'm sure you guys can't wait to hear about, coming in October. These are the N22 and Geekbench score of a Gen 4, and shocking less fast Gen powerful than Apple's processor. We must wait device. The launch might happen around October, so I start saving, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and peace out.